Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Dell Rugged. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Wi-Fi sign in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here click on the arrow next to the Wi-Fi icon. Now you'll see the list of all available networks. Click whichever one you like and select Connect. Then you might need to enter a password for that specific network. In this case, I don't need to because it was previously connected, but enter the password and you should be able to establish connection with that Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.